Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your Roborock vacuum from going into an area that you don't want it to. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is that we're going to log onto our Roborock app, which looks like this. Next, you're going to enter the vacuum which you want to create a restricted zone for. And then from here, what you're going to do is that on the upper right-hand side, you're going to see a map icon with a pencil, okay? So click on that, and then you're going to click on no-go zone. So what this no-go zone is that it's going to create a restricted area that you don't want your vacuum to actually enter. So if we zoom in, what we'll actually do is that we're going to create a no-go zone in this bottom right-hand corner. So click on no-go zone, and then we're just going to drag and drop it into this corner right over here. And we're going to make it slightly smaller, just like that. And then click on the check mark. So once to give you a couple of seconds, we've now created a no-go zone within our map. Okay, so now our Roborock vacuum will no longer enter that zone. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and create an area in which you don't want your vacuum to go towards. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.